If your baby sneezes have you reaching for the tissues and the phone, you're not alone. Okay, real talk, babies sneeze a lot. But don't panic. Most of the time, it's not because they're sick. Babies are basically born with tiny sensitive noses. Sneezing is their way of keeping dust, milk dribbles, or even just their own breath out of their nose. It's like their personal cleaning crew working overtime. But if your little one is sneezing non-stop, has a fever, or seems super fussy, that's your sign to check in with your dog. Otherwise, those sneezes, totally normal. Just your baby doing their thing, keeping it fresh, one adorable Achu at a time. So next time you hear that tiny sneeze, give your baby a high five. They're just showing off those new human skills.